Uniswap value equivalent to $3.9922 a coin. The present reach: $3.9217, $4.0293. The earlier day close: $3.9308. The change was plus 0.0614, plus 1.56%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2023. To start with, cost at $4.46. Greatest cost $4.69, least cost $3.50. The normal for the month $4.13. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.87, change for October 13.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $3.87. Greatest cost $4.08, least cost $3.10. The normal for the month $3.72. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.81, change for November 1.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else, cost at $3.81. Most extreme cost $4.16, least cost $3.62. The normal for the month $3.87. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.89, change for December 2.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.89. Most extreme cost $3.89, least cost $3.04. The normal for the month $3.52. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.27, change for January 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at $3.27. Greatest cost $4.06, least cost $3.27. The normal for the month $3.60. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.79, change for February 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.79. Greatest cost $4.26, least cost $3.70. The normal for the month $3.93. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.98, change for spring 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $3.98. Greatest cost $3.98, least cost $3.41. The normal for the month $3.76. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.67, change for April 7.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $3.67. Most extreme cost $3.67, least cost $3.07. The normal for the month $3.43. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.30, change for May 10.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.30. Most extreme cost $3.30, least cost $2.86. The normal for the month $3.14. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.08, change for June 6.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.08. Greatest cost $3.26, least cost $2.84. The normal for the month $3.06. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.05, change for July 1.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.05. Most extreme cost $3.79, least cost $3.05. The normal for the month $3.36. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.54, change for August 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.54. Most extreme cost $3.54, least cost $2.90. The normal for the month $3.28. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.12, change for September 11.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $3.12. Greatest cost $3.12, least cost $2.44. The normal for the month $2.83. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.62, change for October 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $1.15. Most extreme cost $1.15, least cost 90 cents. The normal for the month $1.04. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end 97 cents, change for December 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.97. Most extreme cost $1.21, least cost 97 cents. The normal for the month $1.07. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.13, change for January 16.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $1.13. Greatest cost $1.37, least cost $1.13. The normal for the month $1.23. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.28, change for February 13.3%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $1.28. Greatest cost $1.28, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.16. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.08, change for spring 15.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $1.08. Greatest cost $1.08, least cost 85 cents. The normal for the month 98 cents. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end 91 cents, change for April 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.91. Greatest cost $1.13, least cost 91 cents. The normal for the month $1. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.06, change for May 16.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. At the outset cost at $1.06. Most extreme cost $1.32, least cost $1.06. The normal for the month $1.17. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.23, change for June 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Initially cost at $1.23. Most